Another day, another story. Title: The Amazing World of Birds. Opening shot of a lush forest with the sound of birds chirping in the background. Birds are one of the most fascinating creatures on our planet. They come in a variety of sizes, shapes, and colors, and can be found in almost every part of the world. Let's take a closer look at these amazing creatures and learn more about their world. So, there are different types of birds, including parrots, eagles, owls, and pay. Birds are unique in many ways. For one, they are the only animals that have feathers. These feathers not only help birds fly, but also provide insulation and protection from the elements. Birds in flight, soaring high in the sky. Birds are also known for their incredible eyesight. Many birds have eyes that are specially adapted to help them hunt prey, navigate, and communicate with others of their species. Eagle catch a fish. Birds also have a remarkable sense of hearing. Many birds use their sense of hearing to locate prey or to communicate with their mates. Group of owls hooting back and forth to each other. And let's not forget about the amazing variety of sounds that birds can produce. From the haunting call of a loon to the cheerful chirping of a songbird, birds are known for their beautiful songs and calls. Different types of birds singing and calling to each other. Finally, birds are an important part of our ecosystem. They help pollinate plants, control insect populations, and spread seeds. Birds flying over fields and forests. So next time you see a bird, take a moment to appreciate these amazing creatures and all that they do for our planet. Birds flying off into the sunset. Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of birds. Thanks for watching.